Students of class 4th B, today we are going to start with our lesson 6, teeth and microbes. So this is included in unit 3, human body, health and hygiene. In this lesson we will learn about various kinds of teeth, parts of a teeth, care of teeth, how we can take care of our teeth, and some harmful and useful microbes. I hope you have read the lesson. Now today we are going to start with the explanation. I will do the explanation of this lesson. Now, when you laugh, your teeth become visible. Obviously, when we laugh, our teeth become visible. Clean and well-kept teeth add charm to your face. Teeth play an important role in the personality of a person. We use our teeth. Now, what is the first primary usage of teeth is to cut and chew the food. In the last lesson, we did food and digestion. There we did one such section, that was digestive system. There where the digestion starts itself in the mouth. When we chew the food, the digestion process starts. So the primary usage of a teeth is to cut and chew the food. What primary? It's yes, the only use of teeth is this only, to cut and chew the food. We use our teeth to chew food. This helps to digest it properly. Why? Because we cannot directly put the food, okay, we cannot put the food directly into our stomach. We have to chew it because we have to change it into a simpler form. Understood? And then digestion process further changes into a simpler form. So how food changes into a simpler form? When we eat it, we chew it, and the food get mixed with the saliva in our mouth. Teeth also give shape to our face and help us to speak properly. Yes, the secondary usage of our teeth is they help us to give the shape of our face, and they help us to speak properly, because certain words which we are speaking, our tongue is touching the teeth, and then we are able to speak certain words. So we are able to speak because of our teeth also. So now come to the topic, set of teeth. Human babies are born without teeth. This we already know, that we are born without teeth. When you were also born, you were without teeth. कोई बच्चा दांतों के साथ पैदा नहीं होता. Okay, so human babies, they are born without teeth. Teeth begin to emerge when the child is about 6 months old. You have to underline this. Teeth begin to emerge when the child is about 6 months old. When the child is about 6 months old, जब बच्चा 6 months का हो जाता है, 6 महीने का हो जाता है, at that time the teeth, they began to emerge, and then they do not emerge altogether. They appear slowly, 1 or 2 at a time. A child usually has a set of 20 teeth. Okay, set of 20 teeth. Then by the age of 2.5 years, a child usually has a set of 20 teeth by the age of 2.5 years. By the time of 2.5 years, जब तक बच्चा 2.5 years का हो जाता है, उसके पास 20 set of teeth उसके मुंह में आ जाते हैं. These teeth are temporary and are called milk teeth. Underline this. Now these 20 set of teeth, they are temporary. They are not permanent. They are temporary. They are called milk teeth. In Hindi, आपने usually में सुना होगा दूध के दांत. Understood? Those who have younger brothers, sisters, आपने अपनी मम्मी या किसी के मुंह से ज़रूर सुना होगा that इसके दूध के दांत आ रहे हैं. Okay, इसके दूध के दांत झड़ने वाले. That are temporary teeth. They are called as milk teeth. They are called as milk teeth. This doesn't mean that they are made of milk or like that. No, but usually we say that they are milk teeth because at that time child usually बच्चे का डाइट क्या होता है? मिल्क at that time. So that is why, maybe because of that reason, it is called as milk teeth. They are called as temporary milk teeth. Okay, usually milk teeth. otherwise temporary teeth. Around the age of 6, milk teeth start falling. Now, around the age of 6, when the child becomes 6 years of age, the milk teeth start falling. Okay, it start falling out. Then larger teeth take place. Then the larger teeth take the place of that milk teeth or temporary teeth. They are called as permanent teeth. They are called as permanent teeth. They replace them. Permanent teeth replace the milk teeth, that is temporary teeth. The human adult has 32 permanent teeth. Underline this, how many teeth we have. The human adult, they have 32 permanent teeth. आप यूजुअली हिंदी में सुना होगा कि 32 ही दिखा रहा था वो अपना 32 मीन्स इन हिंदी 32. Okay, so the human adults, they have 32 permanent teeth. I hope this is clear. Okay, now set of teeth. Now we have set of teeth. Now we know that babies are born without teeth. The teeth emerge. The teeth, they begin to emerge at the age of 6 months. About 6 months, when the child becomes 6 months of age, the teeth, they begin to emerge, and they emerge slowly, one or two at a time, but not like all together. Then by the age of 2.5 years, the child has 20 teeth, and these 20 teeth are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. Then again, when the child is about the age of 6, the milk teeth, they fall apart, fall down and fall out, and then the larger teeth in place of that takes their place, and they are called as permanent teeth. And then we have human adults, they have 32 permanent teeth. Now we are adults, okay, not you people are children. We are adults, we have 32 permanent teeth. We have 32 set of permanent teeth. Now what are the types of teeth? You have to underline this. What are the types of teeth? Now teeth are of 4 types. How many types we have? We have 4 types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. Now first are 8 incisors in the front. Understood? First are the 8 incisors in the front. 4 each in the upper and lower jaws. 4 each on the upper and the lower jaws. Now you can see in this picture the incisor. Yes, these are incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are incisors. This will be more clear from here. This will be more clear. 1, 2. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are incisors. And lower jaw also. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are incisors. Now these are incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are incisors. We call them incisors. There are 8 incisors on the upper, 4 on the upper side and the lower jaw. Upper jaw and the lower jaw. Jaw जबड़ा बोलते हो आप हिंदी में. Okay. Upper jaw, ऊपर वाले जो सेट के दांत होते हैं हमारे, नीचे वाले, उसके जो फ्रंट के 4 ऊपर के ले लो आप, एंड देन 4 नीचे के ले लो. These are incisors. They are 8. Okay, they are 8 incisors. What are the function of those incisors? They help in biting and cutting food. They help in biting and cutting food. They help in biting and cutting food. Now second types of teeth are, there are 4 canines. Canines teeth are next to the incisors. Canines are the teeth next to the incisors. 1 on each side. Okay, 1 on each side in each jaw. 1 on each side in each jaw. Now from here it will come to know, now these are the canines. Okay, these are the canines. These are the canines. We call them canines. Here it is canines. These are canines. So we use the canines for tearing food. Okay, जब भी हमने देखा होगा, कभी भी हम कुछ भी चीज़ अगर हम tear करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो every time we use our canines. We don't use our incisors, we use our canines. So these are the two types. Okay, we have 4 types, these are the 2 types.